Here are some popular things to do in Costa Brava. 1. Explore the stunning beaches. Costa Brava is known for its beautiful coastline. Spend time relaxing on sandy beaches such as Platja d'Aro, Tossa de Mar, or Cadaques. 2. Visit picturesque coastal towns. Explore charming coastal towns like Begur, Calella de Palafrugell, and Tossa de Mar. These towns offer narrow cobbled streets, historic buildings, and breathtaking views. 3. Visit medieval villages. Discover the region's history by exploring medieval villages like Pals, Paratalata, and Besalú. Wander through well-preserved streets, visit ancient fortresses, and enjoy the unique atmosphere.